Hi, good day. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to use the RSS feed feature. You can use the RSS feed feature to aggregate news from different sources. So, without further talk, let's get started. I'll assume you are already on the features tab where you can add features to your app, and you can see that I've added quite a number of features to my app. Here, you can see them. So I want to add the RSS feature. You can search here or navigate with this, or just look for it in this place, but I'm just going to search and not give myself the stress. You can see RSS feed. I'm going to add it. I'm going to call this I'm going to, under this manage content, I'm going to enter title as a Matty Black. I'm going to put the feed URL. I'll assume you already have your feed URL ready. If you do not, get your feed URL. So probably, let me see, for example, if you are using a WordPress website, to get your feed URL, you enter, let's say, for example, your domain name is example.com. Remember to always add HTTPS when you are entering URL. Then let's say this is your example of your WordPress website URL. Then all you have to do to get the URL for RSS feed is add feed at the back. So it's going to fetch the feed for the content on this particular website if it enables feed. So I'm going to add my own feed URL now, which is this one. I'm not going to add any thumbnail, so I'm going to go back and click save here. The best part is you can add as many feed as you want. Can you see? Here is Matty Black. I can add another one, and the list goes on. Depends on the number of feed that I want to add. Then I'll go to designs. Or let me just test what I've done so far first. You can see RSS feed here. I'm going to click on it. Well, you can see here is the RSS feed that I just added. Here is the RSS feed, so you can see this is how RSS feed looks. But it's a little bit ugly for me. Let me customize it a little bit. So I'm going to leave design as card under the settings. Feeds aggregation, I'm going to match all feed. If you click on match all feed, regardless of the number of feeds that you had under here, it's going to match everything together. But if you want it separately, you can say display feed as group. You can select display feeds as group. So I want to display thumbnails. I want images to be displayed. Then I want to use the first entry as cover, and then no catch. So let me put just 1 minute, then I'll click save. Okay, so I've done the settings. Now let me click on see changes and then try to see what changed from what I've been doing. I'm going to click RSS feed. Wow, you can see it's a lot more beautiful now than the previous one, but I still want it to be more beautiful, so I'm going to go to design. I'm going to select this one. Let me see how it is for this one. I'm going to select RSS feed. Oh wow, you can see it has changed, but let me check how this one looks. Going to go back, select RSS feed. Okay, wow, this one is fine. This one is fine. So you can choose any design that you want. Does not really matter. You can select any design that you want, but I still prefer the first one. So basically, I've just fetched content from my site in form of a news, and that is what RSS feed does. You can see the feed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please kindly subscribe to our channel. that will be the end of this tutorial on how to use RSS feed. Please do not forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.